It's so crazy to see this car back. It hits different. It hits so, I don't know about you, but like, it's me. That's me. There I am. That is me. So like, I feel very fulfilled in a way that I don't feel like I have felt with other cars that we've done. This like feels like home.
Open those doors, bro. What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Revival of a dead channel. You guys haven't seen us on YouTube for a while. I've took a lot of personal time off, really focusing on myself and really just becoming a better person. So when I get back on this channel, it's better video content. That's what's about to happen here. So we're here early. Adrian and I and Jet, our new filmer, we're gonna be heading out to TJ Hunt. But let's get in there real quick. We got a couple things we need to get. Let's get on the road. After that, we got about an hour drive. So we're gonna take you guys along. Let's go.
We made a quick stop. Man's got thirsty.
Hungry.
Gym bulls.
The sausage, egg, and cheese is my go-to. It's been my go-to for like the last 10 years, bro. I always switch up my drink though. I'll put the drink on the right here on the screen. I'll lay it out. You gotta try it. If they try it though, we call this the premium matcha. Premium matcha. I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, okay? If you order this, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. d.premium. Let me know you got it. The premium matcha from Starbucks. So we just arrived. We're gonna hop right into it. You know, the idea is to get this thing done in a day. So we started yesterday. So technically we want to get it done in 24 hours. We started yesterday around this time. 48 hours. What am I trying to say here? We're just trying to get this thing done ASAP. Yesterday we knocked out the front bumper. We got the, what's this wee shit?
I knocked out the front bumper.
Stop it. Doors, quarter panel trunk done. So right now we got the rear bumper, side skirts, fenders, hood, roof, and then we're done. That's good.
First, you kind of want this to spread outward rather than bunching in. Right. If it bunches in, you get overlap. So let's go here just a little bit. Yeah, you can go ahead and trim that off just slightly, just whatever you need.
Can you show me how much?
Yeah, so basically, you know, once you're ready to move here, all of it is fall right in.
crazy to see this car back. And this is a little more aggressive. It has wider hips. It has like the front lip and the headlights and all that stuff that I never had. But seeing an E90 with this color, with the wheels and all the styling cues, it's like my favorite looking. I think this is the best looking car ever. Like it hits different. It hits so. I don't know about you, but like, dude, it's me. That's me. There I am. That is me. That is the me that you know.
I love it.
Why
don't you do your cars like this?
Dude.
So sad.
I've wanted to do this color on countless of many other cars that we've done, but I always knew we would come back to this car, and I'm like, I need to save that color for this car.
Wow, that's a commit. You committed.
Wait, 8 years
That's
for
amazing.
it. 8 years for it, and so like I feel very fulfilled in a way that I don't feel like I have felt with other cars that we've done. This like feels like home.
I'm the show. I get it done. I get the shit done. I get the ride home. I got the chauffeur. Thank you, bro.
That is hilarious. Yeah, whatever, dog. That's what we do. That's funny, bro.
Hey, you ever see a premium pillow before? Clear your shit up.
No.
Not gonna meet me.